Okay, those that have been wondering about Ancestry, I got my kit today. This was a present that I got for Christmas. And these are the components inside the box. So now let back in. Okay, so let's read the directions. Welcome to the beginning of your story. Before you spit, activate your kit online by phone or with your app first. Activating your kit with your unique code is the only way to get your DNA results. Steps require steps inside. Okay, so you get the steps on what to do. So, step number one, activate your kit on a mobile phone or on a computer. You could download the app. So, I'm going to use my phone and download the app. And I'm going to search for ancestry.com. Ancestry.com. DNA/app. There's a few here. I just put in ancestry.com. Let me add slash DNA. It's loading. Let's see. Oh, it would be nice that I look at the image provided on this. So is this one here? This one, the second one. Okay, then it says your new unique activation code is located on the outside of the spit tube. Okay, that would be this right here. This is the tube, and there's this number that I need to use. So the app is downloading. I have that code. Let's see what am I gonna do next? It says, do not skip this step. Activating your kit with your unique code is the only way to get your DNA results. And then it says for your record, especially if you are collecting multiple tests at once, record the participant name and the activation code from the collection tube. So you have a portion here where you write your name and the code at the bottom. Okay, then it says, do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. And then it has images of what you need to do with directions. So number 2 right here, it says, spit in the tube, fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. Okay, there's a black wavy line right here. Not including, oh, fill the tube until your saliva, not including bubbles, is at or just above the wavy line. It's easy. That's less than 1/4 teaspoon. Do not overfill. And then number 3, release and shake. Replace the funnel with cap. Remove the funnel from the tube. Screw on the enclosed cap tightly to release the solution that will stabilize the DNA in your saliva. tighten to release uh, fluid. You will know it works when the blue solution from the cap has emptied into the tube. All right, let's see. Then shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. This will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly with the solution so our lab can best process your sample. And then it says mail your sample. Place a tube in the collection bag. Place a sample inside the collection bag provided in your DNA kit. Seal the bag with the adhesive strip. Mailing your sample. Place your sample in the prepaid mailing box. Seal the box with the strip and mail it in. So this box right here. Keep this card until your results arrive. Your results will be ready at www.ancestry.com in roughly 6 to 8 weeks from the time we receive your sample. And that's it. Let's see if this number is the same as this one. Yes, it is. So your unique activation code on the tube is also here in the back. It says, let's see, we take your privacy seriously. You always control your DNA. Learn more at, and then there's the website ancestrydna.com/privacy. For helpful tools and tips on getting the most out of your DNA results, please visit us at ancestrydna.com/FAQ. All right, let's do this. Okay, so when you go download the app, it says find relatives you never knew you had, order and activate your kit effortlessly, view your DNA results in the app the instant they're ready. And let's see what else. Unlock your genetic roots with a simple DNA test. It looks like this. And then it says, let's see, discover your ethnic mix where your ancestors lived and why they went to the next slide, why they left. And then it says skip, find relatives you never knew you had. I already read that one. And then, okay, that's it. Let me look at this slide. Interesting. Okay. And then skip, and then you get this. Here we go. Sign up with email or already have an account. So I already have an account. I'm going to sign in. Okay. I'm signing in. I hope I remember the password. Let's see if this is it. Yes, it is. Okay, get started with Ancestry DNA by activating your kit. Activate your kit. There we go. So activate, and then, oh, you could scan your code. Let's see. It says locate the saliva collection tube inside your DNA kit. Scan the 15-digit code found on the side of the collection tube to begin activating your kit. Okay, so scan code. And here we go. Okay, there we go. Who's providing the DNA sample? Okay, well, I am. You have an option. I have my name there or my child, and then next. Okay, tell us a little about yourself. So, birth year, okay, and then your sex, and then next. Please review and consent to the terms of the DNA processing consent. And there's some information there, and then you need to consent or decline. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to consent and continue. And then it says sample storage. DNA sample storage is voluntary. You can activate your DNA kit and receive your results even if you do not give consent. Storing your sample with Ancestry can save you weeks of processing time and help you avoid having to submit a new sample and pay associated costs for new products or services in the future, which may result from advances in science and technology. If you give consent, we'll store your sample indefinitely unless you tell us to destroy it, or you can change your mind later by contacting customer service. Do you give consent to store your sample in our secure storage facility? Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to give consent. And then next, view DNA matches. When you process your DNA sample, we compare your results to other ancestry members to see if you have DNA in common. These are your DNA matches. If you choose to see your DNA matches, you will be listed as a match to them. You and your family matches can discover how you're related, view each other's profiles, and messages to each other. Finding new family members can be exciting, but you might also discover unexpected relatives, which could surprise you and your family. You can change this preference at any time. Would you like to see your DNA matches and be listed as a match? Okay, yes. Participate in research. We invite you to participate in research conducted by us and collaborators and blah blah blah. Participation is voluntary. I have read the informed consent. I do give consent or I do not. Okay, after that it says owned by and then your name, your birth year, sex, display name, view DNA matches, and it has a yes or no depending on what you have selected, and a research project participation. It has it's listed as yes or no depending on what you chose, and then activate kit. So I'm going to activate the kit, and now it says this DNA kit has been activated for, and then it has your name. Now it is time to collect a saliva sample. It's best not to eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before providing your sample. And then it says collect saliva sample. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. I'm not good with the lightning. Oh, it's not gonna work. Okay, let's see. There we go, finally. Okay, collect saliva sample. Oh, it gives you the directions. Fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. The same directions that I already read. Oops, sorry, my cat is trying to get on my computer. Nadine, not right now, mamas. Not right now, preciosa. Okay, so here we go again. Sorry. No, Nadine, mamas. Okay, here. There she is. Mama, I'm recording, preciosa. Move over. Not right now. Okay. Not right now, mamas. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is a tube. No, mamas. And it looks like this. Spit to here. So this is how much. Nadine, stop. Mamas, no, 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 no. Don't touch this. Okay, so. Mamas. Okay, Nadine. Yeah, move over. Not right now. Okay, here we go. So you spit up to here. So this is how much you're going to spit. And you have this inside. So I'm not going to show you the process while I spit on this too. So let me pause this for a second and then I will show you how it looks like after. Okay, so it took me to fill this up about 4 minutes and I was wrong. It's not all this. Um, Actually, there's like a little tube inside here and it's about this much. So they did say a fourth at the beginning. And what I like about the app that it shows you a little video clip on how to do every single step of the way. So once you have it ready, you remove the funnel and then from the tube, and then you're going to screw this on here and make sure it's tight. Okay, here we go. And then let's see. It says make sure it's tight so it could release the solution. Okay, and then let me click on next. Oh, the solution is going to, okay, it has to be very tight. So the solution starts coming down to the tube. There we go. See, at the beginning, it wasn't tight enough. And now the solution is all here. It says tighten to release the fluid. So that's how you know if you're not doing it right, because if the fluid is still up here, then you need to tighten more. It says you will know it works when the blue solution from the cap has emptied into the tube. Okay, so it's there. And I'm going to click on next, and then it says shake the tube for 5 seconds, and it shows you every single step like I said. So you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. This will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly with the solution so our lab can best process your sample. So it's done, it's mixed. Now you can see the light blue and the bubbles above the line. And then it says, let's see, next, place the tube into the collection bag. So this is the collection bag. Okay, so you open the bag. And You place it in here. And in this bag, it says number 1, insert capped tube into the bag. Seal the collection bag, put bag into the return mailer. Don't forget to activate test online. Okay. So we put it in here. And then you remove this strip from here, from the bag. And you seal. It should look like this. Now there's this like little cotton square that was here in the middle and it moved to the bottom. I don't know if that's supposed to stay at the top, or I don't know what's the purpose of that. Let's see, it says place your sample in the prepaid mailing box, seal the box with the strip and mail it in. Okay, so open up your box. You place it in here. Okay, I'm gonna fold the bag a little bit because it's kind of large. Okay, and then you close the ends. And then there's this part right here where you remove this strip. And then you close. And that's it. It is ready to mail out. So I will be coming back to share my results.